Hey guys, in this video we'll see how can we download any image inside Node.js. So for downloading image, I'll be using a package called AXIOS. To download that, just type here npm. To download that, just type here npm iaxios, and this will install the package in your computer. I have already done that, and the image that I want to download here is this one. So I'll just copy the URL, and here I'm gonna just create a variable called image URL and just save the image URL over here. After that, let me just import all that packages. So first of all, the package that I'll be using is file system, so I'll require that. No need to download this package. The next package will be AXIOS, so they require that AXIOS. Alright, so now first of all we need to create a writable stream. After that, we'll paste the image data there. So for creating a writable stream, just type here fs or just set up a variable here, creating writable stream. So I'll just type here variable image file is equal to fs dot create write strem stream, and the image name will be image.jpg. After that, we need to get the image data. For that, I'll be using AXIOS, but this will be async function. So I'll type here variable get data is equal to async function, and here we have to type our function. Okay, so now what I will type here is that I have to type my function. So I have forgot to place these arrow sign here, so sorry for that. Okay, so variable get data, and here I'm just typing the function. The function that I'm typing here is AXIOS.get. So we'll be using the function, and here we need to specify the image URL. For me, the case is imag image URL, so imag image URL. After that, we need to get the response in a string. After that, so that we can just pipe the response into the image file. So to get the response in stream, just type here option called respons response typ type, and set the response type to strem stream. That's it. Now this will be saved this in a variable, so just type here variable image data. This will be equal to this function. So can see that over here where I have set up a function called get data. This is an async function, and I have set up a variable called image data, and this will be await function, so await await. So as just because like to get the image data, that will take some time, that's why I have set up the await function over here. And after that we have specified the image URL, which is this one. We have specified the response. I need it in a stream format, so I have done that. Now I need to pipe down this data inside the image file that I'll be creating over here. To pipe that, just type here image data dot pipe. So this won't work just because I need to get down the data. To get down that data, that is stored inside an object here, and the object is image data dot data. This is a variable, and this is the object inside that variable, and this type here dot pipe, and we are piping that to this image file. So just type here imag image file. Okay, let me show that again what we have done here. So we're just getting down the image data. That is an object stored inside the variable image data. I'm getting the object name data from that, and after that I'm piping down all that data inside image file that will be created by our file system library. Now we need to run this function. So to run that function, just type get data and then run that function. After that, let's try to run that over here. So I'll just type node app.js. You can see that over here we created a file called image.jpg. If I'll go inside that file, I'll get my image. Okay, and this works with every image. If I'll go here and just select any image, let me see if I have some image in my history section. This is an image, I don't know. So I'll just copy down the URL, just paste it over here. Just run that function again. See, and we have downloaded that image. So guys, this was the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll meet you on another video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.